Hello everybody, in this video we are going to be going over how to do beginner's OLL. Now, this is just for if you're new to speed cubing and you need to learn OLL. Now, so if you're just learning OLL, this is what you're going to want to start with. And if you want to get faster at this some way of doing OLL, I have a tutorial on how to do that, and the link will be in the description. And also, all the algorithms I will say here will be in the description as well. Okay, so what we're going to do is, we're going to first orient the edges so that they're right, and then we'll orient the corners. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is orient the edges. Okay, now there's 3 cases we can get here. Now, just a note is, I'm going to be going through the order of the cases, and it's going to tell you the order, okay? So we're going to start with this case, okay? So when you do this, we're going to do the algorithm, which is F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. Okay, so that's what you do if you get that one, and then after you get that one, you'll get this case here. Okay, now to do this case, you do that same algorithm right here. Okay, and then you'll get this case here, okay? And then you do the algorithm a 3rd time, and that will solve the edges there. So you'll get one of those 3 cases, so you'll know that if there's no edges, it'll be 3 times. If there's 2 edges adjacent to each other, it'll be 2 times. And if they're across from each other, it'll be just once. Or sometimes you might get to skip that step and the cross will already be formed. So that's how we're going to do that part. So let's get to the corners. Okay, now the corners, there are 4 different cases we can get, okay? Now the first case is where we have no edges solved. The second case is where we have 2 edges solved. The third case is where we have 1 edge solved. And the 4th case is where we have all edges solved. Okay? So now, here's how we're going to do this, okay? So, just like the edges, there will be a way where it can go through a complete cycle, okay? So just follow along with me. Okay, so now for every single one of these cases, you're going to want to put it so that one of the blue stickers is on the left side right here facing you. And the algorithm we're going to be using is R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Okay? After you have no edges and you do that, you'll get a case where we have 2 edges solved, okay? Now we're going to want to do that again, so we got the blue sticker right there, and of course it can be a different sticker depending on what your top layer is, so we'll do that algorithm again. Okay? So now that we are at this step here, okay, we now have only 1 corner solved, and that's where we want to get to, okay? So what we're going to do is, now this time we're not going to worry about if the sticker is solved, or no, I'm sorry, if the sticker's in a certain spot, okay? So what we're going to want to do is, we're going to want to put this on the left side where that would be, do the algorithm, and if it didn't flip it, do it again, and this time we do have the blue sticker here, which will tell you if it'll solve it. And again, you might have to do it a 2nd time. So do that algorithm again. And there we go. So now that we have all these solved, we can then go into PLL. Okay, so I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you want to learn how to do this faster, I have a tutorial on that. Link is in the description. And if you need to learn how to do beginner's PLL, I'll have a link in the description for that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video.